Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can check who is using your Instagram account and also how you can protect it. Put your likes, write comments, also please subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So, to begin with, we open up the Instagram app. Here we go to our profile. At the top, we click on the three bars to go to the menu, and here we go to privacy settings. Next, we select Account Center. We scroll down a little bit and we find Password and Security. This is where we click here. Now you'll need to select your Instagram profile. If you have one, then choose the one where you think someone might be using it or going to your Instagram profile. And as you can see, for example, I have multiple devices here that I've accessed my page from. And if you think that, for example, you logged into your Instagram page from someone else's phone, and someone might still be using that, you can remove those devices from this list. To do this, you need to click Delete. After that, you select the devices that you want to be deleted. And after that, you click Log Out. After that, you will log out immediately from all the devices that you once logged into your Instagram. And if you think that still someone can use your Instagram, then it is better to change the password on Instagram. To do this, you go back to Password and Security and select Change Password. You also select the Instagram page, and in order to change the password, you will need to maintain first the password that is really now that you have. Later on, you'll need to keep a new password, and you'll need to keep the new password again to confirm it. But I want to remind you that your password must consist of at least 6 numbers, either letters or special characters. And after you write your new password 2 times, you will click Change Password, and then it will be changed immediately. And this way, your Instagram account will be protected. This way, you will be able to check who is using your Instagram account, and you will also be able to protect it by changing your password. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.